In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to Google Drive through an easy integration. This is a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be seamlessly transferring data between your Google Forms and Google Drive using Zapier first. Open your web browser and head over to the Zapier homepage. If you haven't logged in already, make sure you do so using your account credentials. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right of your screen where you'll find a button labeled Create. Click on it. This will lead you to the section where you can start designing your own workflows, or Zaps, as they're called in Zapier. After clicking on Create, navigate to the section labeled Zaps on the dashboard. This is essentially the canvas where you'll be setting up your automation. In the Zap section, you'll find a Copilot message box. Type in the command, connect Google Drive and Google Forms. Once you've entered this command, you'll see a prompt that allows you to add all steps to the Zap. Go ahead and click on that. Next, configure the trigger event, which is what you want to happen to initiate this workflow. When prompted, select the relevant trigger event from the given options. If you're not logged into your Google account linked to these services, now is the time to do so. Make sure to grant any necessary permissions, as Zapier may need to access your forms and Drive data. Once you're logged in, Zapier will guide you to the configuration phase. At this point, simply click on Configure, which allows you to set up the details of how the data transfer should work. After configuring, it's crucial to test your setup. Look for and click on the Test option to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Zapier will confirm if the connection between Google Forms and Google Drive is successful. The next step involves specifying actions within Google Drive. Click the Google Drive tab and select the action event. This tells Zapier what to do with the information from your forms once it's in your Drive. Be sure to log in again if required, and after logging in, hit Configure to finalize these settings. Following this, click Test one more time to make sure everything runs smoothly. From start to finish, with everything set and tested successfully, the final step is to click Publish. This activates your Zap, cementing the automated process, so your Google Form responses will now automatically integrate with Google Drive. And there you have it, a quick guide to connecting Google Forms to Google Drive using Zapier. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and don't hesitate to refer back to this video whenever you need a refresher on setting up this connection. Happy connecting.